Health of the nation, the country's wealth, was written on a sign that was proudly displayed on the top of the Pripyat City Hospital, #126. This sign served as a humorous reminder to the people who lived in the newly established Soviet model city. The main wing of the hospital is located on Druzhby Narodov Street, which is part of a huge medical complex known as MK 126. It is situated in the micro-district of Pripyat. In addition to the 410 beds that were available at Pripyat City Hospital, there were also clinics and outpatient facilities that were linked to one another. The city had been ready for any emergency they could have imagined, complete with a dentistry clinic, maternity ward, infectious disease clinic, and a morgue. The term imagined is the key word here, despite the fact that none had anticipated the terrible events that occurred on April 26, 1986. Despite the fact that this is normally a bustling hospital, it became the location where 237 plant personnel, firemen, and troops were treated for acute radiation poisoning when reactor #4 went into meltdown on that fatal night. Many of these individuals did not survive their exposure to radiation. Within the first 3 months, there were a total of 28 deaths among firefighters and rescue professionals, as stated in a study published by the World Health Organization, WHO, in 2006. There was such a high level of radiation that the clothing of the victims had to be moved to the basement of the hospital, where they have remained till this day. After some time, casualties were sent to Moscow, which was the location of the only institution that was capable of treating radiation victims. Documents and medical equipment from the hospital were found scattered about in a disorderly manner, and the basement, which is the most radioactive place in the city, had to be abandoned within only a few days following the event due to the increasing radiation levels. Since the Destination Truth team from the Sci-Fi Channel identified many human-like entities moving around frame in video surveillance shot of the hospital during a paranormal investigation of Chernobyl, many people continue to believe that the location is haunted.